Chief Ling Enterprise, formerly a hardware manufacturer, has had over 20 years of manufacturing experience. In response to clients' diversified product needs and more prompt and rapid service provisions, we have acted as a professional export trading company since 1995. We have offices both in Taiwan and mainland China. We uphold honesty and professional services along with deep-rooted factory techniques. Our business scope covers module development, manufacture, Each and every export procedure undergoes strict quality control. Finished product molding, container packing, and export by sea or air. Our professional techniques design custom-made products to meet customers' most demanding needs for precision. We also maximize market niches that allow customers to lead in the market of marketing. Each product undergoes strict and comprehensive inspection steps before they reach the customers to ensure product quality. We are committed to provide for our customers. Since the establishment of Chief Ling Enterprise, we have received support from our local and overseas customers. We shall continue to uphold the business principles of sincerity and honor with mutual profits for a long-term business. We will provide our customers with higher quality and more competitive products. We shall create profitability and growth without limit in collaboration with our partners and aim for win-win situations.